Hey, we are crawling on all fours, and today I've got this brand new Lexan body. This is a 91 4Runner. I do not have the masks for the interior windows on the side windows. I don't know if they were even included. I don't think they were included. I only had the masks for the front and the rear and the sunroof there. So I'm pretty excited about this because I wanted to have another body for my Enduro. Probably do it in white. So it'll just be a basic looking scale truck. But for the sake of this, so I asked my friend to print this canoe. This is a 3D printed model, and it was actually a little bit bigger. It's quote unquote 1/10th scale, but it was definitely the full length of this truck, if not a little bit longer. So I had cut in these two sections here, I actually had cut about an inch on both ends of these sections. So by the time I put them together, I had at least 2 inches cut off, and I don't know if you can see the job I did, but I think it came out really clean. And then I used some filler. I just used some Bondo to fill in the cracks and kind of leveled out the surface, as well as sand it down to make it more smooth. So this is going to take, I'm going to put a primer on that, and depending on what I finalize for this color, I'm going to use white as the base, just a PS1. But I may back it in gold to give it kind of a champagne color. I know Tamiya has a champagne paint, but it's not available in my local hobby store. So I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to order it and then wait for it. So I've already got, you know, these paints that I purchased. So I'm fine just backing it in the gold, see how that looks, and I'll probably back the gold in black. So it'll be PS1, PS13, and I'll do like a Krylon black or something like that. Give it a nice hard shell. So I also have this PS23 gunmetal. I might use that as maybe some trim here and there. I'm still not completely sure. I may or may not mask the inside and do this, do the wheel wells or do the fender flares in the gunmetal, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you like this body, and I should be done with this hopefully soon, but I'll keep making more videos and show you how this looks. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and my other videos. And like always, keep crawling.